Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook potato croquettes from frozen in your air fryer. Before we dive into this recipe, please note that we've got 1200 plus more kitchen gadget recipes over at RecipeThis.com, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker and many others. And these are the potato croquettes that I've bought from Iceland, and they're absolutely fantastic for air frying. I haven't air fried them for a while, but they are yummy. And then you just want to start loading them into your air fryer basket. You can do as few or as many as you want. And here's a fun dinner trick. What you could do is you could place a ramekin just in that section there and fill it with some beans, and you could do your kids potato croquettes and beans for dinner. Or you could just fill it up. The choice is totally yours. Right, that's enough for us for today. So let's place it in. And turn on your air fryer. We are going with a temperature of 180 Celsius, and then we're going to start with a cook time of 12 minutes, and then we can check on them. And we've beeped. Oh, wow, these potato croquettes are already looking lovely already. So what we're going to do now is, my only concern with them is they kind of look anemic. They need a spray of extra virgin olive oil, they need a higher temperature just to make them that lovely little bit crispier, you know, so that they're not like some sort of bland thing that you cooked in the oven. And then you wanted to set the temperature all the way up to 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit. And then we're going with another 4 minutes. And we've beeped. Wow, they look more like it now. We've got a lovely colour on them, and they're just absolutely perfect for serving for your mealtime now. You know, it's up to you, because they were already cooked at that point. You didn't have to spray them and put them on for a little bit more. But for me, the air fryer is always about perfectly crispy food. Similar to deep fried, but without the high calories. And these are the potato croquettes, and they're absolutely amazing when cooked in the air fryer. And they taste good too. It reminds me of old school dinners. I just have this urge to dip some baked beans in them, and they're just so good. And I'm sure my kiddies will love them too. Though I don't think they get them at school anymore, which is such a shame, what they've done to the school menu for the poor little kids. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.